All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set we just had done for a customer. This one here is solid 925 sterling silver, not plated. This is not a fake grill, guys. This is the real thing. 92.5% pure silver. It has the diamond cut Starburst design on each tooth, plus you got that diamond dust finish. Check that out. Now, this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You could do a top, you could do a bottom, you could do a set. It's up to you. Handmade for a perfect fit. Order online, blingcartel.com. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.